Imagine this. It's a sunny Saturday morning. Your grass is growing faster than you expected, and instead of enjoying your coffee, you're staring at that old noisy gas mower that takes forever to start, smells like gasoline, and makes mowing feel like a punishment. What if I told you there's a smarter, cleaner, easier way to keep your lawn perfectly cut without the headaches? That is exactly what I am going to show you today with the Greenworks 40V 16-inch cordless lawn mower. Stick with me, because in the next few minutes I'll explain why this lightweight battery-powered mower is changing the way people take care of their yards. And by the way, you can find the full article with more details linked in the description and the first comment below. The Greenworks 40V16 cordless lawn mower is built for homeowners who want a practical solution for small to medium yards without gas, oil, or pull cords. When I unboxed it, setup took just a couple of minutes. Attach the handle extension and the grass bag, and you're done. No tools, no wasted time. That already had me smiling because I value simplicity, and I know you probably do too. The mower runs on a G-Max 40V lithium-ion battery, part of a family of tools that share the same system. If you already own a Greenworks weed eater, blower, or trimmer, the same battery fits them all. Personally, I keep 3 batteries on rotation, so one is always charged. This one battery-fits-all design is a lifesaver because you don't need multiple chargers or power sources. It saves money, time, and frustration. Performance-wise, the 16-inch cutting deck is actually a great size for smaller lawns. It makes the mower lighter, easier to push, and more maneuverable. I tested it on a 5-veg 5-meter patch, and it cuts smoothly and evenly, with clippings neatly collected in the bag. It has 5 cutting heights, and level 3 gave me the best results. The motor is powerful enough for normal grass. It's not built for wild overgrowth, but it's perfect for regular maintenance. Another huge advantage is how quiet it is. Compared to a gas mower, this cordless mower hums rather than roars. You won't disturb neighbors or pets, and mowing feels more peaceful. It even turns the chore into something like a quick workout with instant results. On top of that, it's eco-friendly. No fumes, no emissions, no fuel spills. That's a win for both you and the planet. Yes, the 16-inch path means more passes if you have a large yard, but for small yards, it's ideal. Its compact size makes it agile around corners and flower beds. If you don't mind spending a few extra minutes, the trade-off is worth the convenience. It's also lightweight. Unlike bulky gas mowers, this Greenworks model is easy to carry, push, and store. The foldable handle means it takes up minimal space in your garage or shed. For urban homeowners or anyone with limited storage, that's a real advantage. Here are the main solutions this mower delivers. Number 1, no pull cords. Just push a button and it starts instantly. Number 2, no gas, no oil, no mess. Number 3, almost no maintenance. And number 4, total convenience with interchangeable batteries across multiple Greenworks tools. Cost-wise, the upfront price is higher than a budget gas mower, but with no fuel, oil, spark plugs, or repairs to worry about, it pays for itself quickly. Add in the saved time and convenience, and the value is undeniable. I've used mine for several seasons, and the battery still performs great. Reliability is another big plus. To sum it up, this is the Greenworks 25322 G-Max 40V 16-inch cordless lawn mower. It comes with one 4Ah battery and a charger. It's lightweight, quiet, eco-friendly, and very easy to use, perfect for small yards. Whether you're new to battery-powered tools or already a cordless fan, this mower is a fantastic choice. So here is my bottom line. If you are tired of battling gas mowers and want a lightweight, quiet, eco-friendly option that just works, the Greenworks 40V 16-inch cordless lawn mower is a smart buy. It makes mowing simple, saves time, and connects seamlessly with the rest of the Greenworks 40V family. Personally, I've never looked back. and I recommend it to anyone who values simplicity and efficiency. Remember, you can check out the full written article with more details, photos, and buying options through the link in the description and the first comment below. Go take a look after this video. You'll find everything you need to make an informed decision. Thanks for sticking with me through this review. If you found it helpful, drop a like, share it with a friend who hates their gas mower, and subscribe for more insights on tools that make life easier. Until next time, happy mowing.